Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can create a header overlap on your Wix.com website. Now, start from the Wix website editor here, and if you don't know how to get here, you start from the dashboard, and you need to pick the site you want to get. You want to give the header overlap, and then you just have to click this button here to design your site. It'll take you to the Wix website editor here. Now, the first step we want to do is to reduce all of the elements in the header here onto a 0% opacity so it can get overlapping, right? So it can overlap upon something. Now, as you can see here right now, there's a couple of elements we need to turn into a 0% opacity. So just click on the menu, click on this design, click on customize design, click on fill color and opacity, and then just make it to 0. Same goes here. If it's just a text, you don't have to change it. If there's no design option there, then it's okay. You don't need to do it. If you can't see any opacity here as well, then it should be safe. But if there are opacity options, then make sure all of it is 0. So fill color and opacity 0, login bar, design, opacity 0, and then this one as well, settings. If it doesn't appear, then that's okay. Just leave it be. Now I'm going to add a strip here. Add elements and a strip, and I'm going to add this, right? And I'm going to overlap it on top of the header. But as you can see right now, it's on top of the header, right? So we need to rearrange it so the header overlaps it. So just right click and then overlapping item and then see all layers. On see all layers, click this orange one and then just drag it on top. There you go. Now you see we have a white section here that we forgot or we missed about that we didn't turn into 0% opacity. That's okay. Just click on the section that you missed and then click on change background and then click on none. There you go. Now we have a overlapping header just like this.